Welcome back, family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel we review fragrances and body care, and we sip a little tea from here and there. Yo sis may go left, but that's okay. Just subscribe, give me a thumbs up, comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey, new family, I see y'all coming in. I hope you all are doing really well. Well, let's get into it, okay? So we're going to be talking about from Thameen Peregrina, okay? I got this from Scentbird and wanted to come to you all with my full thoughts as I've been wearing it and testing it out. And yeah, let's get into it, shall we? Yeah, let's. So you all know how we do it around here. Is this fragrance versatile? Okay, is this giving versatility up in here? I feel like this fragrance, I don't know if it's giving me versatility. Like, I don't think this is versatile. This is definitely, it's hard. Okay, I've been going back and forth with it. It's really hard because while I don't think this is a quick grab and go, I do think, like, if you're going shopping, you know, if you're hanging out with some girlfriends, like at the mall, or if you have a brunch with the girlfriends, day parties, night parties, cool. The only thing that like prevents me from saying like, yes, this is versatile is because I don't see this as like a inside scent, like an easy reach. Like you can wear this in the house, out the house, Netflix and chill. Like it doesn't give me that vibe. It's definitely to me a more outside event or maybe if you're doing errands, but I feel like if you're running errands and have your sweatpants on, yeah, I can't see this fragrance being your sweatpants errands. I can see this being maybe if you have a cute Lululemon outfit or a cute, maybe even a work outfit, but it's still cute. You got like some face on. Then, and if you're going like grocery shopping or something like that, okay, then I can see you being cute with this, right? But yeah, I don't see this in sweatpants and just, you know, relaxation. This is definitely a more elevated fragrance than that, in my opinion. So occasion, we already got into it. So yes, so day, brunch with the girls, day party, you know, just something, an event. And if it's not an event, definitely your outfit is put together for this type of fragrance that it delivers. Now packaging, this is the same packaging as Thameen has, the blue bottle. I feel like this is sleek. I have a Thameen bottle, and so it does have the magnetic cap. So I love it. You know, I have Blue Heart. We've talked about it before. But yes, I do enjoy the packaging, the blue, like sapphire type of blue. Yeah, it's beautiful. It's cute, like dark blue, like in the square bottle. Like, I don't know, it's aesthetically pleasing to me. Now pricing, you can get this at So Avant-Garde for $220. You can also get this on Joma Shop for $129. Yeah, so you pick. So I am sure that there are various pricings out there, but those are some of the ones that I have seen. Now sis, does this lean more feminine or masculine? This leans more feminine to me, unless you're a man that loves like rose fragrances really heavy. But to me, it kind of moves the needle over to feminine, or, you know, I don't know. I think this is more like woman let me war. I don't know, like definitely feminine vibes. I can't picture this smelling on a man, but that's not to say that men don't wear this. I just can't picture it. So I would have to experience it on a man. But again, for me with smell, it definitely leans more feminine in my opinion. So this was launched back in 2019. So it's been here for a while, but let's get into the notes. So notes, we have Damascus Rose, we have Gardenia, Jasmine, Lily of the Valley. In the middle notes, we have caramel, amber, vanilla, myrrh. We have ylang ylang, and we have amber, powdery notes, and white musk. Okay, So we got all the review deets out the way. Yeah, let's get into my full thoughts on this fragrance. Now, when I first heard about Thameen and Peregrina, it had to be on Abby Would Love's channel. Like, I feel like this is the one that she really loves and enjoys and is like one of her favorites. So that's when I first heard, or got me interest, like how she described it and her love for it. And I just can tell like she is a woman that smells good and is just regal and smelling. And I was like, yeah, I need that right there. So I saw it on Scentbird and I was like, yeah, let me add to my queue. Definitely want that in my life, right? And so when I experienced this, it is a beautiful rose, floral, but it definitely has this warmness to it, okay? And I feel like the amber and it being in the middle and the base notes, like I feel like that also brings it out. It's such a beautiful, empowering, to me, woman scent. Like that's why I say I think it leans more feminine to me. Like I feel like this is for like a strong woman that loves rose and white floral fragrances. This is definitely not a cutesy girl. This is not the girl next door, down the street, downtown. Like this is like, I'm stepping in the room, have my shiznicks together, right? Like boss woman, CEO, empowering, like luxury. She got money, right? She's going places. This is definitely one of those fragrances. It's a beautiful strength of a fragrance, and I adore this. Like, look, I mean, yeah, I ain't got nothing much left. Like, I have been wearing this down, and so you can see, anyway, this is so pretty. Like, I would get me a full bottle of this, like, no questions asked. Like, I would think that this would be even, like, maybe Thameen's more popular scents because it's just so beautiful and royal and regal, and I loved it. I loved it down. So I would highly recommend. What would I rate this? Honestly, a 10 out of 10. This is pretty good. And then the caramel in it gives this like soft, sweet, but it's a subtle sweet, right? It's not overpowering sweet. And the powder in it, I think the powder note in this, it's needed. It's like, it's the soft, right? It's like this big CEO boss woman has it all together, but it gives this soft feminine touch. The powder note in it. It is so good and warm and depth. This has much depth to it. That's why I said, like, if you're wearing sweatpants, like, I can't see you wearing sweatpants with this. You would have to be put together in whatever capacity that is for you of being put together. Like, it's one of those. It's really, really, really good. Yeah, I would highly, highly recommend that you put this on your wish list, maybe add it to cart. I'm going to be adding this to cart in a later. And I really do feel like this stands out more to me with probably like fall, winter season. I think you can wear this in all season, like spring. I think in the summer, it would definitely be like a date night. It would be more on the summer night in than a summer day. However, wear what you want to wear, of course, right? Maybe it was a brunch or something, you're inside. Maybe you could get away with this in the summer. I just feel like it might be a little too hot. But in the fall and the winter, oh my goodness, that breeze going, that cold. Ooh, this is so good. Sexy. I just can see it. So for me, it won't be anything that I grab right now, but in the future, later on in the year, yeah, I definitely would check for this fragrance. So 10 out of 10 recommend. This is a really good one. So I have enjoyed getting to know it. And I'm kind of sad that it's almost gone. So I will definitely have to pick up a full bottle of Thameen's Peregrina. Well, that's all, family, for my full thoughts on this beautiful fragrance. What are your thoughts? Have you tried this fragrance? I would love to know what some of your experiences are. Comment down below. And yeah, like tell me about maybe even what's your favorite Thameen fragrance? Like now I'm interested, right? I got the blue heart, this one where I'm attention. So let me know what are some of your favorites from the collection, from the line, from this fragrance house. Okay, make sure that you subscribe, give me the thumbs up, comment down below. I would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, make sure you're good to yourself. Give yourself some grace. And if no one has told you that you are more than enough, yeah, your sis just did. Bye, family. I love you so much. See you next time. Bye.